Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Roblox on iPad, quick fix step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your iPad is updated to the latest iOS version. Open the App Store on your iPad. In the search bar, type Roblox. Locate the Roblox app in the search results. Tap the Get button to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it by tapping the Roblox icon. Sign in to your existing Roblox account or create a new one. Familiarize yourself with the main menu where you can find games to play. To join a game, tap on your desired game title. Wait for the game to load fully. If prompted for permissions, allow the app access as needed. Use the on-screen controls to navigate your character and interact with the game. To adjust settings, tap the gear icon in the upper corner of the screen. Here, you can modify controls, graphics, and sound options. If you encounter performance issues, consider closing other apps running in the background. For a better gaming experience, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. If Roblox crashes or freezes, close the app and restart it. Restarting your iPad can also resolve many common issues. Enjoy exploring the vast world of Roblox on your iPad. Remember to check for any game-specific tips or controls within the game itself. Have fun and happy gaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.